Maturity of analytical methods. Descriptive analytics. The first type of HR analytics on the list is descriptive analytics. This is the most basic type that analyzes data patterns to gain insight into the past. It is also known as decision analytics, uses statistical analysis techniques to explain or summarize a particular set of historical, raw data. It focuses on past data to account for what happened but does not make predictions for the future. Examples of descriptive analytics. PTO plan time off. Using descriptive analytics, HR can analyze the average number of paid time off days that employees use in 1 year. Employee turnover. Descriptive analytics could be used to analyze employee turnover rates to compare the annual turnover rates between two teams or two departments. Diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics takes descriptive analytics to the next level by providing an explanation for what has been revealed. It aims to determine the underlying reasons for what the data exposes, although it is based on the same historical data as descriptive analytics. There is a key difference. Diagnostic analytics goes into the next step of summarizing what happened in understandable terms. It digs for the why behind the data's trend, correlations, and anomalies. Concluding a diagnostic analysis typically involves the following steps: identifying the pattern and anomalies within the data that raise questions and need to be studied further, discovering what factors could be contributing to the pattern and anomalies to identify the relevant data, determining causal connection by analyzing the data with the various method. Predictive analytics estimates what might happen in the future, if forecast future outcomes. The process involves categorizing past and present data to isolate patterns, correlations, and irregularities, followed by estimating a model to predict what will occur in the future. Then the module's accuracy is evaluated by applying it to new data. Recruitment. Predictive analytics can analyze data from the hiring process, resume, job, descriptions, etc., to narrow in on the desired skill sets. Certain elements of social media profiles and answers to automated application question can also reveal the key attributes that indicate a candidate is a right fit for long-term success with the organization. Then you can tailor your recruitment strategy to attract and engage this type of applicant. Retention. With predictive analytics, you can forecast various talent management outcomes, such as who will quit. Prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics is a branch of advanced analytics that utilizes data, mathematical algorithms, and artificial intelligence to provide recommendations for optimal decisions. Unlike descriptive analytics, which focuses on understanding past data, or predictive analytics, which forecasts future outcomes, prescriptive analytics goes a step further by suggesting actions to achieve desired outcomes. By evaluating multiple scenarios and considering various constraints, prescriptive analytics helps organizations make informed decisions to maximize efficiency, mitigate risks, and capitalize on opportunities. It empowers businesses to proactively shape their future rather than merely reacting to it, driving strategic decision-making and fostering competitive advantage in today's data-driven landscape. Cognitive analytics. Cognitive analytics is a cutting-edge approach that combines artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing to mimic human thought processes in analyzing complex data sets. Unlike traditional analytics methods, cognitive analytics aims to emulate human cognitive abilities such as perception, reasoning, and problem-solving to derive meaningful insights from unstructured data sources like text, images, and voice. By harnessing cognitive computing technologies, organizations can extract deeper insights, uncover hidden patterns, and gain a deeper understanding of their data, enabling more informed decision-making and driving innovation across various industries, from healthcare to finance. Cognitive analytics represents a significant leap forward in data analysis, allowing businesses to leverage the full potential of big data to drive growth and competitiveness in the digital age.